Hello everyone, have you ever need to edit a scanned PDF document?
This video is for educational purposes only. Use the information at your own risk.
Only to find that you cannot click on the text or change the numbers. It's a common frustration for many professionals. Now, you might be tempted to use free online PDF editors or latest AI tool claiming to auto-edit your files, but here's the reality. Current AI tools or free online generators cannot handle scanned documents perfectly. They often ruin the background texture, fail to match the original font, and leave the document looking fake. To get a result that looks 100% original, you need a professional touch. Today, I am going to show you how to edit scanned PDF using Adobe Photoshop while maintaining the exact font, color, and paper texture. Let's head over the computer.